Good morning. Today we are learning breakfast English. First, I set the table. Plate, cup, spoon, fork. All right, we're almost ready. We've got a plate, a spoon, a fork, and a napkin. Perfect. Nothing starts a good morning quite like a fresh cup of coffee. That smells wonderful. This smells so good. A warm cup of coffee always makes the morning feel a little brighter. I always like my eggs nice and fresh. They only take a few minutes, and breakfast is almost ready. There we go. Now that's a lovely breakfast. Fresh eggs, warm toast, a little butter, and my favorite strawberry jam. Let's eat.
Good morning. Something smells really good in here. Did you make breakfast already? Oh, would you look at that? I left my reading glasses in the bedroom again. I do that all the time. Well, everything's a little blurry this morning. I really should have brought my reading glasses. Guess I never learn.
Looking for these again?
Here you go, sweetheart.
I knew you'd find them before I did. Thank you.
That's much better. Now I can finally see my breakfast.
I knew you'd need those.
Thank you, sweetheart. You know, breakfast always tastes better when we share it together.
Thank you so much for spending your morning with us. We hope to see you again soon.